to Cambridge School Kandivali, where we are all set to witness the annual investiture ceremony. It is the long-standing tradition at the Ryan Group, where the newly elected council members are sworn in as council members. Come and join us as we show you the glimpses of the much-awaited solemn ceremony. How important is a leadership in life of student?
Everywhere leadership is very necessary to grow. Without leaderships, we cannot know the discipline and all. So leadership is very important. Everywhere, not in sports, not in education, everywhere leadership is very important.
Leadership important because you will start thinking different and you will be responsible for something.
What message would you like to give to the newly elected council members?
Make sure they are knowing their role and responsibility about their own category and give your best, all the best.
Each and every elected member do their job with honesty.
How does it feel to be the president of the school parliament?
To be honest, feeling really proud and honored. I'll try to do my best to complete my duties and responsibilities.
I am actually very honored and I feel like that I have given a golden opportunity. So I am very happy and I promise to do the best I can.
To be honest, I'm very honored to be the Prime Minister of our school parliament. It seems like I have achieved my success, and at last I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for it.
I'm quite elated to have this position.
It is a golden opportunity to become the speaker of the school, and not that only, but to be the voice of the school.
It's my pleasure to be the Deputy Speaker of the school parliament.
What message would you like to give to the school juniors, especially juniors?
I would say that if you have a passion, continue to follow it and continue with your hard work and passion. Thank you.
To be persistent, that even if the world is against you, please continue to do hard work and you will definitely achieve your goal.
To continue their hard work and to be dedicated to their studies if they want to achieve their goals.
I'll tell them to work hard so that they can make their dreams come true.
You can not only become the speaker of the school, but also Prime Minister or President. You can also take part in elocution competition to improve your speaking skills.
Always be confident, become good leaders, and always try for the best.
How important is leadership in the life of a student?
Well, leadership is very important because with the changing time, it's not just the basic education that matters now. It is much more than that. So the basic values of leadership, compassion, empathy, how to guide people, the values and the morals to be followed, all those are very important. And the fact that the school is encouraging those values at this age builds a very important, a milestone or a base for a child. So for me, it's a very important trait, and I really appreciate the fact that the school is looking forward to develop it in a child at this such a young age.
It built up the confidence in the student and they lead into a second level. They understand the meaning of responsibility, the confidence and everything. And this ceremony which is school conducted, it's really appreciable because they have shown the trust and the faith in the new council members. So it's a very proud moment and it's really appreciable, this ceremony.
Leadership teaches kids time management, stress management, critical thinking, which are actually the feelings or the emotions that the kid needs to deal with while they grow ahead in their life. Now, talking about the leadership skill, I'm thankful for Cambridge School for giving the opportunity to my daughter.
It's really appreciating that school has given this opportunity to see how my children is growing. I really appreciate managing director, principal, teacher and staff.
It's very important for me because she's a first time she's appointed as a leader.
and it's a proud moment for any parent, especially for me and my wife.
It is very much beneficial actually for the students. Actually, I am very much fortunate to by being a part of this program.
It is very important because this forms the base of what he's going to do in the future. So it's really very crucial for his upbringing.
Leadership is a character which takes you up in life to build up your whole and soul. So, and that builds up in the school.
Right from childhood, if you give those skills to the students, right, they grow up and become a good leader. So it's very important. And with the way this school is organizing, I think it is really, I appreciate the hard work and efforts put up by the staff, management and all the teachers.
It is extremely important. I can't thank enough to Ryan Cambridge school management for cultivating the leadership skills right at this level where the students can lay out the foundation of becoming a great leader for our country, for our nation. Thank you so much.
Absolutely important, and I'm very happy that Cambridge has started instilling these qualities early age. At this age, she's been getting groomed for that. So the leadership is a stepping stone for anything that you do in the life. It builds the careers, it builds in a very great hope in personal life too.
It brings in courage, confidence, and capability in the child.
The investiture ceremony is a meaningful occasion that reminds the new student council of their responsibilities as governing leaders. We look forward to the positive impact they will make on our school community in the year ahead. On this note, this is YJ Gargi signing off for Ryan TV from Cambridge School, Mumbai.